My name is Emery. I'm the owner of Family Hair Care, and today we're going to do a hair transformation on my niece Dakota with just one amazing hair product. First, we begin by cleansing her hair, and then we do a little finger detangling. And while I'm detangling with my fingers, I am also sectioning her hair around the perimeter so that I can have smaller sections to work with. And again, we're only using one and only product, and that is Family Hair Care, the complete hair care system in a jar. It will grow your hair, it will style your hair, it will retain your moisture, it will do everything that you cannot do currently. Okay, so now I'm going to just start detangling with the brush just to make sure that we have no tangles. And I did her complete hairstyle in about an hour and 25 minutes, but it probably would have been 30 minutes 30 minutes quicker rather, if we had clipped her ends beforehand. And we're going to save that for the next tutorial when we do a blowout using only Family Hair Care. Okay, so I'm just detangling the hair and making sure that it is stretched and that we are ready to start forming our curls. Now, many people stop their wash and goes here. Once the hair is stretched, now you want to start taking small sections and applying Family Hair Care to your fingertips and then running it up those sections from roots to ends, actually gliding. You want to ensure that you add enough product so that those curls are luscious and that they are shiny and that they are protected. And this is called the shingling method. Now, when you're forming curls this way, you really want to ensure that you are sealing those ends well. This will ensure that those curls are heavy and that they have, a great hold on them, and that also those ends are sealed so that those curls can be well formed and protected, causing your hair to grow longer and you to have a lot less breakage. Family Hair Care kind of happened when I lost my own hair in the front and the top middle. I was devastated, and when I regrew it with my own formula, and my formula was able to style my hair, keep my hair looking good consistently, it was the only product that kept my hair looking good consistently, then I felt obligated to offer it to others. And this was 2017, and we've been here since. Some of you may be asking, why is it brown? Well, it's brown because it contains wheat protein, which is very important in helping your hair retain moisture, and also it aids greatly in growing your hair. This product is really great also because of the color for protecting your hair in the summertime. If you're out in a lot of sun, it's typically where a lot of people get hair damage, or products that typically work. Other times of the year don't work as well. This product, you won't have that issue. You're good to go every day. You're gonna get the same consistent results. Now I'm gonna do another perimeter section just to give me smaller sections to work with again. And notice, we have not added any more water. I always tell you guys, Family Hair Care already has water in it, so there's no need for you to re-moisturize your hair. I just do a slight mist on it when I refresh, the hair. And we're going to show you that this wash and go is going to be good for about You can have this wash and go looking excellent for about 2 weeks if you wanted to. I'm going to show you how to maintain it at the end of the video so that when you wake up the next day, your curls are looking just as good, if not better, than when you went to bed the night before. So right now we are just going to continue to detangle with the brush and with my fingers, and then we're going to go ahead and do the shingling method again. And please ensure that you use enough product. So as I mentioned, Dakota is my niece, and I am so proud of her and the young lady she is growing up to be. If you guys recall, when we first came out, we were named Photogenic Hair Care, and Dakota was one of our hair models way back then. She's a photogenic family hair care baby. I like to do the perimeter method when sectioning the hair because the hair just falls better for me. It also allows you to place the hair where you want it to be. Now you're gliding from root to tip, and you don't have any fuzzy parts on the tips or the root because they're all covered with product. And what this does is it allows you, once your hair dries, you'll be able to turn to the side and all those curls will be individual curls. They'll all be heavy and formed in their own right. So now we're done, and we are not going to put her under a hair dryer. I'm going to just let it naturally dry. Look at those curls, look at those results. And we only use one hair care product. And of course, that's family hair care. So later that evening, we went ahead and started to get her ready for her bedtime routine. And again, yes, you can use a hair dryer and you can dry your hair much more quickly. So we can use pins or we can use clips for the nighttime routine. We're just going to section her hair so that it's easier to work with. Again, you could do a perimeter section like we did earlier, or you can section it in any way so long as you're rolling the hair up on the scalp. You're doing this to keep those curls protected and to also slightly stretch the hair. It does not have to look neat or anything. You're going to take it down in the morning, but it will allow you to let those curls just shake out once you take it down. Again, her hair is about 60% dry, so this also allows us to let the roots get a little more air. Thank you all so much. Please like, share, and support my small business. I greatly appreciate it. Until next time.